What is going on, y'all? It is your boy Rish. Thank you for tuning in to another video with your boy and the floating camera behind there, you know, because I got powers. I'd be like levitating it. Shout out to my girl, always recording and sometimes not complaining that her arms hurt because the camera's heavy. It do be heavy though. A7 III, big ass thing with a big ass lens. Anyways, we got one Tsx here and we got the other one here. And one's kissing the butt. Ew, dirty butt. Look at this thing. This thing's been sitting. We're here because we're gonna steal some parts. Steal it from somebody, you know? Somebody, you know, some shit that been sitting. It's like a junkyard in here, so basically gonna steal all the parts.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. Just kidding. I am gonna steal the parts, my own parts, because they're just sitting, man. I gotta make use of it, bro. Hybrid racing short shifter, front grille that's been sitting, because you guys, I mean, look at this front grille. Look at this. Like, it's been looking trashy for a while, so it's time to take my front grille that's sitting right there on the bumper, all lovely. Kind of completely forgot that, you know, I had a spare one I could use because it's not being used. Come on in. Come on. Yo, if anyone is in the local Florida area and wants to buy a stock 04 to 08 Acura Tsx exhaust, let me know. Because I kind of had to, you know, free up some space. This takes up a lot of space, man. The only issue I have right here, like the flange is like a little bit cut into because when I was trying to get out the bolts, some things were seized. So it cut into the flange a little bit, but I don't think it's going to affect anything. Like, it's not cut through. Yeah, let me know, man. It's a super clean exhaust. Hit me up, your boy, and we're going to start stealing some shit. Oh, happy 420, y'all. We got to go celebrate real quick before we get into the groove, you feel me? So, let's go.
Eventually.
Finally got the hybrid racing short shifter off. Don't mind the beat upness over here now because the C-clips were a pain to get off, man. They were on there so like tight, like this one. I had to get vice grips and then flathead or whatever and pry up at the same time, bro. It was a pain. And I sliced myself.
Yeah.
So something always happens with Rish, man. Always cutting myself, man, every time, like especially with tension like that. You kick back. I was like, look down at the finger that hurt. I was like, alright, it's alright. Look down at this hand, there's blood going out. I'm like, oh, yeah, I didn't even feel that. Have a nice grill on there now, and then start making use of this thing again, because why not? It's sitting, and it feels better than the CT short shifter. That's for sure. Alrighty, y'all. Now that we stole the parts, we'll be able to have a nice clean grill and have some better shifting. Make some more content for y'all. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, took off on them, bruh. Made up. Alright, so we are back at the cribbo. I got some nice goods that we stole from another Tsx, which is mine. Don't y'all worry, with that car and the parts, we're either going to be replacing with the same exact thing or upgrading to even better because that was the plan all along. And that build is the one that is really going to be, or at least try to, you know, it's going to have a lot of good parts. It's going to try to be a clean build, trying to clean up the rust, trying to make it nice. Stay tuned real quick for this unboxing. This company sent us some drinks. They're actually local to Fort Lauderdale, so super cool. We're gonna see what's good with that. Put on the grill at least right now, probably. But yeah, time's already ticking. Your boy's got to go to work pretty soon, so unfortunately, time just kind of went by today. As usual, little progress is still good progress, so doing a little bit still, or at least we're trying. You know, we're trying to make progress, trying to make content, trying to show you guys some more things with this. The other Tsx, the other one's a slower progress, so there's not going to be as many updates in between just yet. So yeah, we're here with the daily. As you could tell, I got that thing off, and we're going to put on the stolen goods from my white Tsx. At least right now, I'm just going to put on the grill, because we got to actually go to the white Tsx and do some work on it. We're going to go do some more grinding and sanding and grinding and sanding. I think that process is gonna like never end. It feels like it's like I'm just getting started into it. There's still a lot more to go. Let me go ahead and put this thing on right quick. Make it look all pretty again. There are tabs right here, as you guys could tell. little tabs that help slot in the grill right here at the bottom. Over here at the bottom areas. Some of these are just broken and not holding in anymore. So, I mean, most of them. I found these little guys and they seem to work perfectly. This one fits in here pretty snug. There. So it's kind of a pain to get it in, but you have to reach in here and kind of hold the tab. And I think the easiest way is to start with the middle and then work your way to the outer tab. Push in more. Let's go clean this. Hey, just like that, it looks 10 times better. Like poopy. Nice. Poopy? Ah, nice. Sake, endless sushi, and hibachi. Yummy.
On me.
Let me go and get it, because, you know, it's on my boo, so free food's the best food, right?
Yeah.
Thanks, boo.
Of course. He always spoils me anyways.
Of course, I'm crazy with the AC on. It should make extra noise. We got our food. Nice hibachi, nice sushi. Check out the sushi, y'all. Wasabi. You guys dare me? Just got the sushis right there. Let me know if you guys enjoy these kind of, you know, videos. Just like bring the camera as we go out and about. Yeah, I mean, they packed it up for $11.99. You get all that. Now it's time to dig in, relax, do some posts, and then
Go to work.
get to work because I go a little bit earlier today so I can get out early. Have some sort of a Friday. Then tomorrow, Saturday, we're going to be in Falcons, helping them out, do some more things. Record a little bit. Give you guys some inside scoops of content. You feels?
Tomorrow.
Alrighty guys, you guys are back on the camera. Look at my girlfriend. So beautiful. So beautiful. Right here at CU Auto Stance. Alignment's already been done, but I'm getting it a little corrected. Steering wheel's a little to the left and pulls slightly to the left. Man, tell me I'm wrong. The Koenig hypergrams look so good. Every car, every TSX I put it on, the blue one, the black one, the white one, they all just look so good in the race bronze, man. Looks so good. If any of you guys are curious of what the wheel and tire size is, 18, 8.5 plus 35. And 225 40 tires. I get this question all the time. What's my setup, fitment, this and that. Yep, that's the fitment for the wheels. I have BC Racing coilovers, extreme lows. You guys see there's a bend right there. These things has held up for so long. It's treated me so good, but it's definitely time to get a new set of wheels eventually. Like, I don't know what, but I want to kind of get 17s, go for more like a track fitment kind of look and have meatier tires because I like that look. So I'm not like a stancy pantsy boy, you know, more of a function and good fitment and then being able to do some spirited driving. I don't really like tell you guys much, or I just kind of like go through the pains and whatnot, but even before the new year started, something happened with my lower back, like sciatic nerve or something damaged, and yeah, I've been pretty messed up. Like some days are better than others, some days just really bad. So I've been trying to work through it. I've been gymming just a little bit, but not as much as usual, unfortunately. Hoping I get better, which I will soon, and get some tests done and start gymming again.
Oh yeah.
Strong, big Rish.
Strong. Honda. Honestly, I need one of these for like a daily or whatnot. It's the homies right there with the stanced RC over there. Getting a Honda something like this, little beater daily, would be nice. Or a Honda Fit like that over there. Like that Honda Fit over there.
alignment corrected. Now we're on our way to Speed Zone, buy some parts, and then we'll be stopping at FC Auto Lab and show you guys like what I'm gonna be doing there. We're gonna do what we gotta do, then bounce. So show you guys when we get there. We made it to Speed Zone, y'all. Show y'all. This is Jesus's car. A wagon, can't go wrong. Wagon, Billy, and I don't know. They got basically everything up in here. Wheels, a Billy, you know. Headers, exhaust, K-tune turn downs, or that's actually Speed Zone turn down. PLM, bunch of seats, aesthetics, clothing. Anything you need, they basically got it. Looking at this thing, because I'm gonna have to need this for the white TSX. Timing chain, lower guide, preventive measure for the chain to not drop. You can be on your sad boy shit right there. Speed Zone, they got their own seats, leather, got a Jesus right there. Got a bunch of AN fittings, anything you need really. Audio, radios. Don't look at my address. Bought some parts. Shout out to my boy Jesus right here. We're gonna be buying a lot of stuff for the white TSX, so all in due time, man, all in due time. We made it to FC Auto Lab. I'll go ahead and show you guys what we're gonna be working on. It's already on a lift, thankfully everything's set up. This is Falcon's MR2. We're hopefully gonna be putting back a motor in this thing after it gets rebuilt and whatnot. Took out his motor and put it in this thing. It's all bolted on, had the first start last weekend, started right up. So what I gotta do is do this cutout right over here, like shebang, cut it out for the intercooler. So I'll show you guys that when we get there, but super cool stuff, starting to work on different things. First time working on an MR2. And we popped out 2 engines in one day, so that was pretty cool. We got a bit of everything in here. This thing is sick. I would love this. Toyota. At first when I glanced at this, I thought it was a Subaru, because it kind of looks like a Subaru wagon back. But Toyota, even better, more reliable. This thing is sick. I would love that. So you kind of have a bit of everything in here, man. I didn't even notice an NSX right there. Yeah, I didn't even notice. Bit of everything, y'all. Kind of what I've been up to lately on these weekends, is coming over here working on different things and giving a hand. Alright, so front suspension is all tightened down and torqued down. Wrist strength torque. I'm gonna double check the rear once I put it back up. But take off this oil cooler, drop it down. If I recall, I just did it right here last time, dropped it down, and it was hanging just enough to where I don't think I'll hit it, because your boy, I gotta open up this trunk. You guys probably see the orange lining going around. Basically where I just have to cut out for the intercooler. I helped make one of these brackets. I think this one, I made this one. It's not as pretty and identical to that one, but hey, I'm learning for the first time. But we got it done. This thing is solid. The car is moving. This isn't moving at all. Got that down. And got the intercooler out. I could have more room to chop away over here with this thing. Go around. Should be pretty easy because it's not that thick of a material. But yeah, hopefully this blade is good and will last. Measuring with Rish. So it should be just past. Vacuum is really bad. I'm just trying to get a little bit of scraps and dust. Got it all cut and grinding. Pretty nice, pretty decent. Like I think went a little much on the grinding to make it straighter, but it'll do for now. Just like that, that thing is situated. Probably gonna have to mess with this thing some more or redo that line because I don't know if it's kind of leaking a bit.
regardless, progress. Next up would be this eventually.
Howdy.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off.